So my curl story, when I was younger, I had like this long, thick, dark hair. I was actually born with straight hair, like really thick, straight hair.
Growing up, it definitely was not the easiest having curly hair, especially bigger curly hair and tighter curls.
My mom did not know what to do with my hair, so she would chop it up like a boy.
All of my friends had straight hair.
I would use gel. Your hair is like super crunchy. There weren't products out there for curly hair girls. I was one of them that used to feel like it was simpler to just have my hair straight. I love my highlights, but it just makes my hair so dry. My other struggle is really more moisture. As you can see, my hair it just needs moisture, moisture, moisture.
When it's raining outside, it's probably the worst type of condition for my hair because when it's wet, I don't know what it's gonna look like when it dries. Kind of just feel chaotic and chaos.
The best products usually come in teeny tiny bottles that I use maybe like in 3 days. If I go outside in the summertime, it gets frizzy. Then I have to like put water in my hair and it gets frizzy. Then I have to put more product and it's like always frizzy.
You still get those people who ask you like, oh my gosh, how do you do this? Like, can I touch your hair? Or even just grab your hair without even asking, you know? It's kind of crazy.
I mean, can you see the difference? My hair is super hydrated. It looks even shorter than it was before. And what amazes me the most was that it was only 2 products, while I'm usually using 3 to 4, sometimes 5. A little goes a long way with the Be My Curl products.
It doesn't feel dry. It feels very like light, very soft. I feel like I've never seen my curls curl the way it's curling right now. And because of the products and the way it was used, I'm gonna have to do it every day.
The frizz is gone. I love the products. They smell good. They have good slip, and I love that it's only 2 products.
When you find that confidence within your curls, you learn how to take care of them. To go through with people was just really welcoming. But I'm so happy that I love my curls and I wear my hair curly all the time. I barely straighten it anymore. And it's just so weird that there was a time where I really hated my curls. So I'm just so happy with them now.